This is a short tutorial in programming, and as you can see on the screen right now, I've written my program, I've compiled it, and I've run the program, and it runs successfully. So basically I'm using a kind of construct here in programming called sequence. And basically a sequence is just a group of instructions or statements where one instruction follows another in a particular order. All these instructions or all the codes you've written here must all end with semicolons, and therefore they must be all inside a brace, and this brace is also known as blocks. Now my task here is to use my robot to aim at 5 targets, and my method here as well is called the doubling time. That basically the time I have to wait each time to shoot at my target. Now as you can see here on the screen, on my code, the codes I've written down here, what I started with here first is with fire, which is to aim at the target and shoot. So you can say shoot or you say fire because they both basically the same thing actually. So now I've started with fire, and then I've used my brackets, and at the end of the bracket I've used my semicolon. Then the next code I've written is wait, which is the time I have to wait to shoot my next target. And in between that time I have to move my robot to the target, or turn to where the target is and fire again. So, and for me to turn, I have to write my code like saying turn at an angle of 15 degrees, which is towards my left hand side, which is the positive side so far. So I've written 15, and after 15 I've written fire, and there I've written wait for 1 second, and again I've written turn and fire. So according to my code here, you can see that the time I wait before I shoot is doubling. My first waiting period was 0.5 seconds, and the second waiting period was just 1 second, and the third one was 2 seconds, 3 seconds, and so on and so forth. But well, I've got 5 targets, and then I've written my code and I've run it, and they run successfully. So if you put this code down as well and run it, you will see you'll have the same positive results. And again, lest I forget, the software I'm using here is called CBOT programming. You can go online, search for it, and purchase it. This is a very good start for programming beginners. Thank you very much.